Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open Bank of America account online. It's pretty simple. First, you have to go to bankofamerica.com, and here from this official Bank of America website you can create your account and you can open your Bank of America account online. Now from here in this page you can log into your account and you can simply click on open an account to open your online account. From here you can choose the account type you want to open in Bank of America. You can open check and savings, credit cards, home loans, auto loans, small business, marital investing, whatever you want. Now you can have some more information in this page. You can go with I'm going with this checking and savings, and in this particular platform you will find three type of account. One is safe balance banking, another is advantage plus banking, and last one is advantage relationship banking. You will find all the benefits of those accounts right behind them, and you can simply click on open account to proceed the creation of the account. Now you have to enter the zip code and simply click on the go button. Remember, only the American residents can open a account on Bank of America. So you have to be nationality of American, or you have to be a resident of America, United States of America. Then you can create a Bank of America account. Then you have to choose that if you want to add a Bank of America Advantage saving account, or you only want Bank of America Advantage safe balance banking account. So go with your preferable option. Just simply click on of them, and then you have to enter offer code. Then simply click on this box and click on go to applications. I'm going to go with this and then after the offer code, the promo code, you just need to simply click on this box and click on go to application. And after clicking on this button, go to application button, you will find application form that you have to fill up to open your Bank of America account online. Now from this page they are asking if you're an online banking customer of Bank America, then you can enter your user ID and password and go with your online banking account. But we don't have any online banking account, so we are going to click on continue as our guest button here. Then you will find this type of form where you just need to enter some personal information, the contact information about yourself, like your first name, your middle name, or your last name. Then you can also add a suffix or prefix from here, like this. I'm going to add this, and then you have to enter your date of birth according to your valid document, like your national ID card or any passport or driving license. Then you have to enter your contact details, like your address line one, and also you can enter additional address line. Also you can add your city, you can select your state, and you can enter your zip code. Then you need to enter your active phone number and the phone number type, like phone or telephone or landline, whatever you have, just select it, and then enter your email address. Then re-enter your email address to confirm your email address. After that you just need to choose the residency. Are you a US citizen? Then simply click on yes, and if you have dual citizenship, then you can go with yes option, or if not, then you can go with no. Then after completing the rest of information, the required information, you can continue or click on the next button to continue the process of creating or opening a new online account in Bank of America. There are four steps. The first step is your information. Then the second step is account setup, where you need to set up your account. You need to enter your account credentials and you will get the account number from here. After that you just need to enter some qualified and valid documents issued by your government, and then you have to verify your account. Then the third option is terms and condition. You have to read and accept the terms and condition of Bank of America, then review and submit. Then you have to submit your application to Bank of America, and the approval team will judge your application, and if all is okay, then your account will be online as soon as possible. You will get notified through your phone number or your email address from Bank of America. That's how you can create your Bank of America account online easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.